Ay, dada.
Nabigay sa akin ah.
Ito ba ibigay sa akin? Okay, nahulog ako.
Bunak!
Nope. That's not, no. Umusog ka dito. Dito, Tintin, sa akin. On me.
Pati yung mga web speeder. Nakawan siya to. Oh shit.
Shoot, dami!
Huwag niyo kalabasin. Wala na akong bahala, di pa nagsimula yung mission. Oh, maganda na ng bahala, di pa nagsimula.
73!
May night trap. Ay shit, di ko pala na-deposit ako.
Guys.
Update.
Plate lang.
Wag ka dito. Ba't ka nag-jumble? Huwag mong yabangan yung mga ano par.
Oh shit, wala akong ano dito. Iron Will.
Okay, huwag mong yabangan yung mga ano. One shot ka dyan. Wala kang death. Niyayabangan mo, may warden yan. Huwag mo nang lapitan.
Tin! Yung music, please! I need the music!
Kaya.
Oh shit! Uy! Na-trick shot ako ng ano, septic!
Ah shit.
Hindi kita makita par. That's sad.
Wait, that's me.
Oh my god.
Exactly. Dog shit. So.
Check your gear and let's go!
Ilaw.
Oh, that is a long drop.
Residence consultants triangulate the position from Orkite's geode.
Kita kasi Tintin
Crack it with a drill elevator and get the seats inside.
You mean me?
Flares charging!
Ang ina mo, may nemesis! Ah! Nasakin agad!
Yeah, makikita rin naman natin yan.
Ayun. Mag-rider.
Don't get grabbed. Don't get grabbed. For the love of God. Okay, I grabbed. Guys.
Para dito na.
Yeah, guys, patay nag-tunnel. I'm gonna be honest with you here. Not our best plan.
Nag-grab na ako! Puta na mo!
Do not melee the nemesis. Okay.
There ain't no point.
Indeed. Oh my god.
18! Bakit yan ka?
Indeed.
Wait, buhay pa ito ako pwede?
Never die.
Oh, buhay pa ka.
Bakit hindi ako yung oppressor?
Hindi halata par. Oh, be honest. My bad.
Patay na.
Kunin ko yung resupply.
Nasa mukha ko na pala! 18!
I was born
Behind, behind.
bloody target painted on my back.
Yeah, please, wag ako barilin nyo. Namat.
Bato blow na.
Gold.
These core stones.
Stand back. Supply pod inbound.
What the fuck are you?
Ayan na, void rifts.
Oh shit.
Getting more ammo.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ang bilis nila!
Ay, I got one shot. One shot ako.
Barilin mo yung gem, barilin mo yung gem.
Sabay Jeff. Ay. Siyempre, revive niyo ako, diba?
I'm taking some of the ammo.
Saan yung Jeff?
Nabog kayo, nabog kayo. Tumatalon!
Ngayon mo lang nakita yung tumalon?
Oo! What's next? What's next? Sisiraan mo yung dito?
Oh, damn. Wala po eh.
Patay mo muna.
Na. Alis. Gara.
Saan yung crystal?
Ayan.
Damn. Ay, nakapatay ako isa. Gamit ilaw. Oh!
Pin. Ikaw yung
What?
pag-asa.
Yan, sinusuob ko na lang.
Zuko mo ang pag-asa. Sisipor ko.
Okay.
Ready. Sisipor ko ah. Damn, the music ko. Sipor! Tin, rat.
Okay.
Sige.
Got a creepy crawler
Take
here.
command eh.
Put it down.
Ang gagawin dito?
All readings on the core stones have
Depos.
seems like you did it.
Hindi, wait lang. Hintayin nyo.
Oh, may specific na pad. Okay.
Guys, hindi ba kayo... Kala ko ba pinanood nyo yung trailer?
Hindi kami nakinig.
Sorry. Nakita lang naman.
Bro,
Nakita lang na.
ikaw yung pinanood. Ikaw lang yung pinanood multiple times. Ikaw yung hindi pa alam.
Yes, exactly.
Sorry eh. Ano ba defender pre?
Ah, ito. May start
Wait,
pa
wait.
dito.
Ayaw na pala. Deposit naman namin. Starting now! Maintain natin
Oh,
to.
shit.
Kailangan natin i-maintain to. What? Prepare for what?
One sense.
Pwede ako maglagay ng ano, turret. Let's go.
Go get him, boy.
Kasi kay Doretta bawal ako maglagay eh. Kaya akala ko bawal din dito. Very good, pwede dito. Aray ko! Parang binagsakan ako! Binagsakan ako lang!
Nose dive yun ah.
Parang binagsakan niya ako na damage ako. What the heck?
Sino yan, si Raze?
Guys, ang OP ng turret, it can look straight up.
Ow!
Aray!
Oh.
Jam in the drill. Fix it up, post haste.
Ayun yung DOP. Holy shit. We got demolished.
Parang chicken.
Guys.
Ang layo ng minis!
Lights up!
Oh my god. Umuulan ng mga ano.
Minis ng problema eh.
Hindi makabal yung ano yung Pretor. Eh,
Oh, yung oppressor par. Kawawa.
Maintain nyo habang parang, oh shit. Sana yun, ayoko sanang winto eh.
Get the drill going or you are toast.
Exactly. Wait! Yung grenade ko! I can just go up. Yung grenade. Dito man so.
I'm dead. Oh my god, this is nightmare, holy shit.
Stop. Ah.
I'm cooked. Oh my god.
Bakit ka nandito? Nalalaglag ako. Bad idea tumalon. Oh, shit.
Malapit naman tayo. Revive.
The
Guys,
lag.
I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna Iron Will and jump.
It was just a knee wound.
Okay.
Hindi, kasi stuck ako doon. Yun ko saan na-knockdown, stuck ako doon. Revive na lang.
I don't feel like we're in hot.
Ba't dito pa?
Pheromones! Save your ammunition!
Likod mo
Ba't dito pa, Gib? That's what I'm saying, ba't dyan pa?
Nasa langit ako.
Oh, I'm out of
Look
here!
at this.
Born ready.
Okay.
Access
Okay.
Nasa wall ako namatay. Tin.
I'm not dealing damage though.
Tama.
Weapon ready!
Ay. Kala ko ano? Mabigat.
I-pick up lang.
Uy, nulog ko.
Para sa
Okay.
kanya.
Ilan ko, pang ilan.
Yes, oh. Naipit ako sa drill. Uy. Ipit ako sa drill.
Yeah, so guys, kung titignan niyo yung ammo natin,
Okay, come
Look,
here.
may rocket boot tayo pagtapos nito.
anong connect nun?
Lipad na lang tayo, huwag na natin kalabanin.
Mawawala rin yan, bar.
Kumikinang yun.
No, actually we can keep it hanggat makasakay tayo sa dapat. Wait, may tulong.
Kill me.
Saan medyo post? Ito pala.
Lock!
Uy, huwag niyo tulakin.
Huli ba?
I got the deposits!
Huwag niyo tulakin, please lang. Parang hindi pa ako tinatulak. Uy, nasa si Molly. Fuck, kala ko kasama sa drill elevator yun.
I wish Commodores could dig like you, Drillabate!
Molly.
Well done. All C's collected. Call in
Yan yung ano, yan yung boss. Bots.
Escape muna.
Yan.
Good work. Sending in the can. Remember to
You can actually stay here kasi ang tagal umakyat ni Molly.
sure the drill hole is the only way out.
Mark 2 jet boots! Hope they got some in my size!
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule. Drop pod
Oh!
departing in T-minus 5
Ang lakas ng
minutes.
jet boots na to. Yeah, damn.
Sana nakadrop pod na ako.
I am so lost.
Nasa first natin crystal. Ay, second, I mean. First pala, never mind.
Oh shit, I went the wrong way. Dito.
I'm literally dying.
Dito. Natin Molly.
Kunin mo ba natin gold?
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Nahulo.
Hindi, ang dami!
Pheromone canister through! Jet boots on! Sprain the bugs!
Tin, kung sinabi mo na lang, kung nasan yung
What?
first detonator.
Kaya nga, sabi ko first ano. Dito tayo una na gano'n, diba? Brother.
Pangalawa to par. And 2, hindi mo sinabi sa bulk detonator.
Pangalawa sa taas.
No, pangalawa.
I'm dead.
Dito man.
Mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deeper
Help me,
Galactic
help me.
thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you.
I have 0 ammo.
Go!
Bring it back in.
Oh my
Mission
god.
1 done.
First life,
First has
life.
5. First has 5 par.
By the way.
First life. By the way,
Oh
first
my god.
life.
Successfully complete a hazard level 5 mission from start to finish. Oh my god.
Yeah! Dahil dito sa ano ko sa skin ko mas malaki yung pot ko. Bang.
Now credit. A supply pod
Meron
is
pang ano,
inbound.
meron tayong resupply, Ay, the fuck are you there?
What the fuck?
Nagkamali ako ng rocket jump.
They actually did it. Holy fucking. Tin, yung mission mo.
Oh.
Sino magano deal sa ano? Pakata sa crystal.
Na-overwhelm mo.
Kaya nasa mga ako nasa crystal.
Wait, tumakas ako sa map!
Bro type.
Kill issue.
Back.
T-minus 4
Kill issue. Tama na, no clip par.
They jumping on me. They are jumping on me.
Na. Tin.
They legit jumping on me.
I'm gonna save Jerry.
I'm dead.
The mule has docked. Initiating launch sequence.
Guys, tumalong ka sa drop pod.
Dropad na ba? Go na.
These boots are not made for walking!
Go na.
We made a mistake. We made a mistake. That's all. That's it.
Leave us
Yun lang masasabi ko par. Uy,
Stand back. Supply pod inbound.
labitin din. Ayun par, tao laban sa sarili.
Rock and stone!
Oo nga no. We fucking died.
Weapon ready!
I'm dead.
Pareho tayo namatay sa parehong crystal.
Drop pod inbound. Stand clear.
Yan, keeper mo yan.
Wala nang mamamatay. Jump seat.
Wala nang mamamatay, guys.
I'm whiffing. Oh shit. Ano?
Pod has arrived.
Ang bilis nyo ah.
Fuck. Fuck nangyari
Wait,
ba?
I can do something about this part. I can do something.
Go, 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 go.
I have 3 minutes. 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 I have no.
The mule's been successfully retrieved. May its Navi team
I have 3 minutes.
forever.
On top.
Starting in T-minus 2 minutes.
Ay, umangat na dyan, umangat!
Extraction commencing. Good work.
I just want you guys to know.
Oh my god!
Si Gabe ang nauna sa pumatay tas hindi si Nave tas pumalis sa mission. Ako pag pumapatay ako, sinesave ko pa rin. You have sealed the deal, okay? Alam mo na kung anong gagawin.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
One more mission to go, Miner.
Tatandaan mo, every time pinapatay kita,
Every time you
nakakatapos ka
pop,
pa rin ng mission. Unang-una yun. Ikaw ang nag-first blood sa akin, Gabe. Tandaan mo yan. Wag mong kakalimutan yan. Kasi ako hindi ka makakalimutan.
Classic music lang pala kailangan.
Classic music lang pala eh.
Dakan
Ito pa.
COVID eh, pero mo.
Tin, yung pheromone ba, pinagagawin, mag-kiss tayong dalawa sa isa't isa. Hindi ganun nangyari sa COVID sa pagkakaalam ko eh.
Na maka-find ng build na patayin si Gabe. I actually...
Oh, okay. Oh my god, please, stop. The fuck?
Contact. Lock and load.
Flares recharging.
Oh.
Oh wow, I have 0. Andiyan na siya.
We're cornered, we're cornered, we're cornered.
All resonance scans complete. Sending in the derivator to take you to the Morkite geode.
Never mind, may daan.
Slices. Dices.
That almost killed me.
Derivator has arrived. Take you to the necessary depth and crack the shell of the Morkite geode.
Run.
When you are ready, let's get these seeds.
Ah,
Alam mo yung mas maganda?
may Viper na na sila.
Okay.
Hindi, parang gitna, di ba? Oh, lahat yan. Oh my god, nasira yung derivator.
The mule's been successfully retrieved. May its Navi
Sa loob na kayo.
drop pod won't hang around forever.
Hindi din pababa pa lang eh.
Ah. Ah.
Tanga!
Back in.
Hindi na namin problema yon. I'm so sorry, pero hindi na namin problema yon. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Hindi ako bumagsak. Sinalubong ako ng Praetorian. Wala akong buhay.